Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the rhenium ion mechanism. Since any mechanism can be supported by evidences, so today we shall discuss about the evidences of rhenium ion mechanism. There are two evidences for rhenium ion mechanism. First one is isolation of rhenium ion intermediate. The intermediate rhenium ion have been isolated, detected and characterized. The example is the formation of meta-nitrobenzotrifluoride by the reaction of benzotrifluoride with fluoronitride and boron trifluoride in at minus 80 degrees Celsius. The intermediate form, this type of the rhenium intermediate, cation intermediate is formed, which is detected and isolated and characterized. This is yellow crystalline solid intermediate is obtained, and therefore the rhenium ion mechanism is supported by the reaction. The second one is the example for the support of rhenium ion mechanism is the reaction of mesitylene with ethyl fluoride with and BF3 at minus 80 degrees Celsius. This type of the intermediate is formed, which is also detected, isolated and characterized. And this on heating gives this electrophilic aromatic substituted product. So we can say the reaction is carried out by the rhenium ion mechanism. The second evidence is the isotope effect. In general, there is no isotope effect because the CH bond is not breaking during the rate determinating steps. देखिए here, this one is the rate determinating step and the CH bond is not breaking here, so there is no isotope effect is observed. But in many instances, isotope effect is observed. However, its value is very low. Its value is about 1 to 3 instead of 6 to 7. The value of Kh upon Kd is around to 1 to 3 instead of 6 to 7. Therefore, in some conditions, isotopic effect may be observed. What are the three possibilities in which the isotopic effects can be observed? In the first possibility is when the K2 is very, very high than the K minus 1. Here in the mechanism, this is the forward reaction and this one is the backward reaction. K1 for the forward reaction, K minus 1 will be the backward reaction, and here this is the second step and fast reaction. So when first possibility K2 is very, very higher than K minus 1, there is no isotope effect is observed, because in this time, since a large majority of the intermediate go to the product, the rate of reaction is determined by the slow step, so no isotope effect is observed. In the second condition, when the K2 is less than and near about to K1, therefore the isotopic effect can be observed. The small isotope effect found most likely arise from the reversibility of the step first by partitioning effect. The rate at which AR plus HY revert to ARH should be equal to rate at which AR plus DY or AR plus TY revert to ARD or ART, since the ARH bond is not breaking. However, AR plus HY should go to ARY faster than AR plus DY or ART plus TY, since the ARH bond broken in the second step, and rate of second step is less than the K1, therefore the small isotope effect is observed. In the third possibility is when the K2 is less than K minus 1 or near about to K minus 1, then the isotope effect is observed since a large amount of Ar plus Dy revert to the starting material, that is K2 y K minus 1. The partitioning factor for Ar plus Dy or Ar plus Ty is less than Ar plus Hy. Consequently, the reaction is lower for ARD or ART than ARH, and an isotope effect is observed. One circumstances that could affect the K2 by K minus 1 ratio is the steric hindrance. Here, the example of steric hindrance. The diazo-coupling reaction of compound 1 give this type of the product, and diazo-coupling reaction of compound 3 give compound 4. In this reaction, the first reaction have no isotope effect, but in the second reaction, this reaction have isotope effect Kh upon Kd value equal to 6.55. This is due to the steric region. It is very difficult to approach a base to this point to abstract the hydrogen from the intermediate ion. Therefore, an isotopic effect is observed, and the steric hindrance influence the percentage of the product. The next topic is SE, unimolecular electrophilic substitution. It is very rare and found in some cases. The reaction is carried out by carbanion intermediate, and it has two steps. In the first step, the carbanion is formed, and in the second step, the electrophile attack to the carbanion and form the final product. And this reaction is carried out when the carbon is the leaving group and when the strong base is present. Though there are two possibilities when the carbon is the leaving group, then the example for this type of the reaction is the reaction of aromatic aldehyde in the presence of H2SO4. The decarboxylation takes place and aromatic hydrocarbon is formed. And the second example, aromatic carboxylic acid, in the presence of copper in quinoline, aromatic hydrocarbon is formed and the carbon dioxide removed, or we can say decarboxylation takes place here. In this mechanism, two steps occur. In the first step is carried out by the arenium ion mechanism, and this type of the intermediate is formed. But when the decarboxylation of this is the whole reaction, but when the decarboxylation of ArCO minus takes place, the mechanism is the SE1 type. The decarboxylation of aromatic carboxylate can be takes place by the two steps. In the first step, the CO2 is removed from here and the intermediate carbanion is formed. And in the second step, the presence of acid, the proton is abstracted by this carbanion and the aromatic hydrocarbon is formed. The mechanism can be supported by the evidences. Therefore, the two evidences are there. This reaction is the first order, and the presence of electron withdrawing group facilitate the reaction. Therefore, the reaction mechanism is confirmed that the reaction of decarboxylation of aromatic carboxylate ion is carried out by the SE1 type of the mechanism. And where the SC1 reaction takes place, the second condition one is that when the strong base is present. For example, the deuteration reaction, here the aromatic hydrocarbon electrophile D plus deuterium exchanges takes place here, and the deuterated product is formed and proton is removal here. The deuteration mechanism can be explained, and this mechanism is carried out in the presence of a strong base. The strong base remove proton from this aromatic hydrogen and form carbanion, and this carbanion react with deuterium and form a deuterated product. So the two topics has covered. First one, the evidences of rhenium ion mechanism by the two process. First one, the isolation of rhenium ion intermediate, and second one, the isotope effect. And the second topic was SE1 unimolecular electrophilic substitution reaction. Thank you.